Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to go over challenge 1 assignment in 4.4. So you gotta scroll down to almost, 4/5 of the page down. Let's begin. I've got the data shared over here. This is in the bonus tab. I've renamed it the challenge 1 assignment. So go ahead, I'm going to split my screen here. Okay, click on the bonus tab. Format the worksheet data and complete the calculations as follows. A, merge and center row 1. Apply heading style 1 to style. Heading 1 style to row 1 and heading 3 style to row 2. Merge and center, cell style. We're going to do heading style 1. And then merge and center, heading style 3. Center the headings in row 4. Like this, center it. Find the totals in row 11. I'm going to do an auto sum. Paste. And then I just copy that across. Again, one thing that you could do too is feel free to just drag this by the handle there. Okay. Step D, find the highest sales and lowest sales in rows 12 and 13. Use max and min functions to accomplish this. Highest, I'm going to go auto sum. That's going to be max. I'm going to change this data. I'm going to just move this up. Hit enter. And then min, you do equals min. Change this data. You could type this in as well. And hit enter. Okay. Now these two, I'm going to highlight both of these. I'm going to drag across to copy that across. Okay. Step F or step E, calculate 2% bonus on the total sales for each salesperson. Okay. 2% bonus on the total sales for each person. Okay. So this is going to be a formula equals, on this, times 0.02. That's 2%. Amount. And this is a formula that's going to stick. So we're going to drag that across. Okay. Up step F, apply an accounting format to rows 5 through 15. 5 through 15 accounting format. We go ahead and get rid of the fill. Apply number format to all other numerical data. Oh, you know what? I'm going to undo that real quick. 5 and 15. Apply an accounting format to 5 and 15. Rows 5, accounting. I read that incorrectly. And then 15. The rest of this is number, which is just going to be comma. Okay, make sure you save. I'm going to do file, save as, downloads. 4.4, I'm going to name this challenge1.chu. Save. Okay. Step 4, create a pie chart and a line chart. For the pie chart, show the total sales for each person. Hint, select the names, then press and hold Control key as you enter the total, select the total amounts. Okay. So for the pie chart, let's go ahead and grab, we're going to select the names, hold Control key, and then we want the total sales for each person. Here we go. I'm holding Control and I selected that. Insert pie chart. Okay. We've got this here. Use appropriate title for the pie chart. We're going to name that total sales by sales person, December 2020. Okay. There we go. Include X and Y axis if appropriate. No, we don't need that because it's a pie chart. No X and Y axis. Position the legend as you prefer. Design, legend, I like that on the right. Include the appropriate data labels. Insert data labels. And again, up to you what we want to, oops. Let's do legend or data labels, best fit or data callout. I like this data callout here. we can see the name along with the percentage. Okay, but we can actually change that data. We can do, actually, we don't need the name. Maybe the value, percent. What should we do? Name, and maybe the percentage. Yeah, you know what? I'm okay with that. Okay, let's see. Okay, great. We select the data here. It's gonna make a pie explosion. And you can change this angle however you want. I'm gonna make that maybe just 10%. Okay, done. Position the chart as you see fit. I think I'm okay. I like this. I'm gonna move that up here. Maybe resize it a little bit. Okay, done. So we'll go ahead and do a line chart now. Again, we want to do show weekly sales by person. So I think line chart, we're talking about trends and data. So I'm gonna grab all of this and let's see what happens. Line chart. So let's see. Let's see what the recommended one is. We've got that there. Yeah, I'm okay with this line chart here. But notice what happens is they went ahead and added some additional dates in between as well to kind of project. I'm okay with that. I'll leave that. Let's go ahead and rename this. I'm gonna do this weekly sales by sales person for month of December 2020. Okay. One thing that I noticed up here, just change the date. Okay. I changed this up here for the month of December 2020. So let's take a look. This is our information here. Let's add some axes. Axis title, horizontal, with the date. Should weeks maybe? Oh, no, I'm gonna do date because they inserted a couple other dates there as well. Then we want to go ahead and do file. Oh, no, I'm gonna do add axis titles for horizontal, and we're gonna name that week sales. Okay. And just something that we see here. Do we need all of this? I don't think we do. Let's see if we can manipulate this data a little bit. 12.3. I don't quite know why. I think it's like, let's see, cancel. We do grid lines, no. Let's format as axes. So here, it goes by every 2 days. We don't need every 2 days. Let's see what that looks like. So what that does is, we just want the 3rd, 10th, 17th by week, and that I think that's okay. We have no minor, so I think this looks good. Let's move the legend to the right side. Okay, then we can have that. We can see those dates. Okay, position the chart as needed, and we can change this now actually to week of. Resize this as needed. Okay, great. And that's it. This is done for the challenge. So step 5 here, I'm gonna go leave that for you to answer. Analyze the charts and answer the following questions on the worksheet in the space provided. Wrap your answers in the cells. Again, this is really the answer. You're going to go ahead and put in these cells here, okay? The reason why this is wide is just because of this chart here. We could always just get smaller, okay? But go ahead and put your answers in these cells here. But the question is, which salesperson has consistently increased sales? Who received the highest bonus? Did the person who consistently increased sales receive the highest bonus? And D, based on your analysis of the data, who is your most valued person and why? Okay, save the file, close it, and upload that to Google Classroom. Thanks, everyone.